What's up, Maniacs? A lot of you have been asking me in the comments, what does the exhaust sound like on the GP compared to the JCW Pro exhaust you had? Well, I'm gonna show you now. First, I'm gonna put this GoPro with this mic into the tow hook. I'm gonna do a cold start, I'm gonna do a warm start, I'm gonna drive it in normal mode, and I'm gonna drive it in sport mode. And you're gonna be able to listen in on what it sounds like in all those situations. So first, let's do the cold start. Sport mode. So yeah, that's a quick look of what this exhaust sounds like. Different than the JCW Pro exhaust, but it's still good, and I'm still braking in the car. It's only got about 250 miles on it, so we still got a ways to go. But yeah, that's a first look at the exhaust. Hope you like it. Leave any comments or questions you have below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and wave to other minis when you see them. I'll catch you in the next one.